The Visibility and Control of Configurations feature in Cisco Catalyst Center provides a solution to further secure your planned network configurations before deploying them to your devices. With enhanced visibility, administrators of Catalyst Center can enforce their teams to preview device configurations, CLI and netconf commands, before deploying them onto the network. By default, the enforcement of config preview is turned on for all users. This means that all users of this Catalyst Center must preview the device configurations before deploying them. Scheduling options such as Now and Later are unavailable until after the preview of the device configurations. With enhanced control, you can also ensure that only approved configurations are provisioned to the network devices through an ITSM integration that is built into each of the provisioning workflows. By default, the ITSM integration is kept optional. The administrators also have the option to disable or enable the enforcement of visibility and control, if they choose to. The new options provide the users of this Catalyst Center to split their planned network deployments into two phases: preview and deploy. With the enhanced configuration preview option, you will now be able to initiate the process for a network configuration change well in advance from the provisioning workflows, and iterate over the changes at your own pace by previewing them without any impact to the running network. Once you are satisfied with the changes, the staged configurations can be deployed at any time, which is usually a maintenance window. Using the preview and deploy configuration option will significantly decrease the time taken for deployment, leading to shorter maintenance windows. The staged configurations are available for review any time from the Activities Tasks window. By filtering for Work Item, these options offer you the flexibility to preview and deploy configurations at your own pace.